Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down one of the most confusing parts in Alberta insurance: at fault versus not at fault accidents and how the DCPD system works. If you ever wondered, why do I pay my own insurer even when I am not at fault? This video explains it all in simple terms. What is DCPD in Alberta? DCPD stands for Direct Compensation for Property Damage. It means if you're not at fault, your insurance company pays for vehicle repairs and they compensate you directly instead of the other driver's insurer. This does not mean you're being blamed. It's simply how the system works. Fault is being determined using the Automobile Insurance Fault Chart, a rule book used by all insurers in Alberta. They decide fault based on the type of collision, vehicle positions, traffic rules, evidence and statements, photos, and dashcam footage. Fault is assigned in percentage. 0% means not at fault. 50-50 is a shared fault. 100% is fully at fault. This affects who pays what. If you're not at fault, who pays? Here's what happens. Your own insurer pays for vehicle repair, replacement, and rental vehicle if included. Your deductible is usually not applied in most not at fault cases. You do not pay a deductible. The at fault driver's insurer reimburses your insurer behind the scenes and not your problem. If you're at fault, who pays? If you're at fault, your own insurer pays for repairs. You pay your collision deductible, and your premiums may increase at renewal. What about 50-50 fault? If both drivers contributed equally, both insurers cover 50% of vehicle damage, you pay 50% of your deductible, and insurance may treat it like a minor at fault on your record. What if the other driver has no insurance? You're protected under uninsured automobile coverage. This is included in every Alberta policy. It covers damage caused by an uninsured driver, hit and run, and phantom vehicles. But the deductibles may apply depending on the collision. What if the other driver lies? Insurance companies review dashcam footage, witness statements, photos, traffic signal and signage, vehicle damage patterns, and police reports. They don't rely on statements. Common scenarios and quick examples. Rear end collision. Rear driver is usually at 100% fault. Left turn versus oncoming cars. Left turning vehicle usually at fault. Parking lot pulling out. The driver exiting the stall is usually at fault. Side swipe during lane changes. Lane changer usually at fault. Both merging, often 50-50% at fault. DCP does not mean you're being blamed. It simply means your own insurer handles the repair faster and directly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Next, check out the video on how to file an insurance claim in Alberta so you know exactly what to do if you ever get into an accident. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.